oil filter change. Should be easy, but it never is. So let's start by getting that oil plug off. Should be a 17 millimeter. This hose is always in the way. See, rightsy, tightsy, leftsy, loosey. Okay, that's the wrong way. Okay. Why is it so tight? There it goes. Okay, let's go use fingers from here. Oil. And while that's draining, let's go after this oil filter. Uh-oh. Oil filters are supposed to be finger tight, and that's far from finger tight. The pan keeps sliding all over. See if that'll hold it. That's not coming off. Okay, oil wrench. Not big enough. It fits most oil filters, it says, but apparently this is not most. I have a universal belt. It's so universal, I use it for everything. Here it is. How this works, you just slip it on there and then roll this up. Rightsy tightsy, leftsy loosey. And this creates the tension and the grip. Pop it loose. Very useful. Nice sludge. Let's get that to drain while I get my new oil filter. What's unique about this K&N is it has this, what's this, 17 millimeter bolt on the end. Makes it a little easier to put on and take off. Do the put on part by priming it up. Ooh, it's a little over primed. With my Castrol Activo. You put so much in and nothing comes out. I guess that's the part of priming. It gets it nice and wet so it doesn't run dry. There's quite a bit of it that's inside the filter itself. Tell me what you think about priming filters in the comments below. And I can just slip this on. Only needs to be hand tight. Drop that in there. That goes to disposal. Now I gotta get this pan out without making a mess and get that bolt back on. Wait, where's the bolt? I did have, oh, here it is. I did have it right there. Maybe the kickstand is best moved out of the way. Maybe this could just get moved over. It's still dripping. And then maybe I could wipe all the dirt off of the drippy bolt and get this hand tightened in. Simple, easy breezy. Just wipe it down and get all the grease off so I don't strip it while I'm tightening it down. And let's get this tightened down. A cinch, a smidge. Nice. Get this bad boy moved out of the way. It's an accident waiting to happen. The tool dropped in there or something. It's the oil fill hole where you fill the oil to wipe it. Could be cleaner. Don't want any dirt to drop in, or should I say, don't want more dirt to drop in than already has dropped in. And then our checker, oil level checker here. Funnel. That's too big, too small. I'm going to have to precariously attempt to fill it up using this one. There we go. I use this one as a measure. Oh, it drains so slow. What does it look like? Empty. More is needed. That's the last of my oil. I think I have some more someplace else. I hope I have some more someplace else. Yay, I found more someplace else. And how are we looking? Is that too full? It's a little too full. My experience is if I run it, it's gonna flow through a little bit, work its way through the spots that are empty, the air bubble spots. Will bring the fluid level down a bit. That should be enough. Let's give it another check. What would be really crazy if it gets so low that I have to even add more oil. That goes to show you that you gotta run the bike or any engine when you change the oil for a while to get those air bubbles out. And sure enough, so low that it's completely dry. I need to add more. That's how much air was in there. This time I'm gonna just add a half a quart. That's about a half. And it looks pretty good. Now, part of the cleanup is to get this old oil disposed of and getting her off the stands. So let that drip and drain and get all this other stuff up. Look. What's this? What's this? No, over here. Smell here. Look. You don't like that smell, huh? What is this? Buster, what's that? Ooh, icky. Stinky. Makes you jump. Nalco, take this out of the way. I'm gonna lift this up. This, when I lift it. Wait, not yet. It's really, okay. Now, go on the other side and take the other one. Thank you. Go. Nice. You're all right.